Okay, this is looking up into the filter cavity. So I removed some of the filters because we're going to add the exhaust for exhausting the building and exhausting the rooms to the outside atmosphere for purging. And this is the intake for the dehumidifiers right here. This is the carbon impregnated filters that are 5 inches deep that you can see right here. That's them. MERV 16. That is the that is the backside of the air handler. That's the coil, the cooling coil right there that you see. Everything is perfectly airtight and sealed, no gaps. There's no leaks in here or anything like that. And so you can see that little tiny hole there and that little tiny hole right there. That's our pilot holes. That's where the carbon canister filters for the carbon air box for venting is sitting above this air intake right here. And as you can see, the filters that are removed right here, I'm about to put a garbage bag up here to catch the metal filings that are going to come out, because we're about to cut out 12-inch round holes right here for the exhaust in here. And so that air handler, that coil with these MERV 16 filters, if the filters are always kept in good condition and sealed, that coil probably should not need cleaning for many years. Cutting down on between all the coils and there are tens of thousands of dollars in labor and certain chemicals and cleaning products and leaf sprays and stuff like that. When they get on copper, they attack the copper and cause coil leaks, and they gum up the copper and they make it absorb, put a sticky film on it and cause the coils to actually get plugged up with fine dust. And so the better the quality the filters, the longer the life your unit is. So I'm about to start this right now and cut out these holes.